Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure TurboTax for capital gains tax reporting. Complete guide. Open TurboTax and log into your account. Select the tax year you are preparing. Navigate to the Wages and Income section from the main dashboard. Scroll down to find Investment Income. Click on Start next to Stocks, Bonds, Mutual Funds. Choose Yes when prompted. Select the method you used for reporting your sales. If you received a 1099-B form, choose I'll type it in myself. Enter the information from your 1099-B, including the name of the investment. Input the sale date and purchase date of the asset. Enter the sale price and the cost basis of the investment. Consider if there were any commissions or fees involved in the transaction. Add any adjustments for wash sales if applicable. Confirm the information you entered for accuracy. If you have multiple transactions, you can import your data by choosing Import instead. Select your financial institution to import investment data directly. Review the imported transactions for accuracy and consistency. Continue to the summary screen where TurboTax will calculate your total gains and losses. Make sure to review any capital gains tax implications provided by TurboTax. Proceed to the Deductions and Credits section if you have additional deductions to report. Check to see if you need to report any carried over losses. Finally, complete any other required tax sections, and proceed to review and file your return. Remember to save your work regularly to avoid losing any data during the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.